In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an invoice template in Xero. This is really useful if you already have a layout that works well for your business and you just want a variation of it without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you want a version for a different brand, a new department, or a special type of customer. Copying an existing template is the fastest way to keep things consistent while still giving yourself flexibility. First, log into your Xero account and head to the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top navigation and click on Sales. This is where Xero keeps everything related to quotes, invoices, and customer billing activity. Once you're in the sales area, click on Invoices. This takes you to your invoices list, where you can see what's been sent, what's waiting for approval, and what's overdue. We're not creating a specific invoice right now, but this is the path that leads us into the invoicing tools we need. Next, click on New Invoice. Don't worry, we're not actually going to send this invoice, we're just using this as a way to access the invoice settings. When the new invoice page opens, take a moment to notice the layout and how it's using your current default template. Now, look for the 3 dots menu, usually found in the upper area of the invoice page. This is often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open up additional settings related to invoicing. From that menu, choose Invoice Settings. This is where you manage all your templates, branding themes, and default invoice behaviors. It's the control center for how your invoices look and feel to your customers. Inside the invoice settings page, find the existing template that you want to copy. On the right-hand side of that template, look for a button or link labeled Options. Click on Options to reveal a small drop-down of actions you can take on that particular template. In that drop-down, click on Copy. Xero will immediately create a duplicate of your chosen template. This new template will usually have a similar name, which you can edit so it's easy to recognize later. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. Xero may ask you to confirm the name of the new template and let you adjust settings such as logo, branding colors, payment terms, or other layout preferences. Save your changes and your copied invoice template is ready to use. Now, whenever you create a new invoice, you can select